Hi everyone, today I'm just going to spend a little bit more time on the melodic minor. There are two other videos before this. One is on the major scales, how to write all your major scales, and the other one is how to write your minor scales. I'm just going to spend a little bit more time on the melodic minor scales. Please see my system there. My system is to write out key lines in a straight line, not in a circle, in a straight line, the major, then the minor key signatures, and then to draw from that when you are doing your scales. I encourage my students to write that on a rough piece of paper that's given to them within the test once the test has started, or to write it at the top of their page or on the back of their page and label it rough work, and to draw from that as opposed to trying to have more methods and more tricks to work out what scales and so on are, and so that they can visualize it. So I'm going to show you that key line right now. I always start with the major first and then I'll go to the minor. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Father Charles. I repeat this rhyme with sharps. Now I write it backwards. Battle ends and down goes Charles. I don't need the father or the F. I put a line down the middle. That is C major, no sharps and flats. Everything on the right is sharps and everything on the left is flats. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all the major keys. From here to eternity, there aren't any more major keys. Right, I go to A flat and I start the same process. I simply take this and displace it. Fat, cat, goes down and eats bread. Or Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Father Charles goes down and, okay, and I do the same thing on this side. Battle, whoops, battle ends and, sorry about that. Okay, and now I have the majors and all the minors over here. And once I've got that, I can now work quite easily without making mistakes and without forgetting how many sharps or flats they have. Right, I use the same rhyme to find the order of sharps and flats. So I'm going to write this same rhyme at the top here. Fat, cat, goes down and eats bread. Or Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Sharps order go this way. The order of flats go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the order of the sharps and flats. This is the first function of the rhyme. That is the second function. Right, let's get on to writing a melodic minor scale. So, treble clef. Let's do F melodic minor. This is not harmonic minor. Major scales are 3 steps. Let me just backtrack a bit. Major scales are 3 steps. Write your notes, find the key signature, find the order, write them in. That's 3 steps. Harmonic minor, 4 steps. 1, write your notes. 2, find the key. 3, find the order. And 4, raise the 7th note. Melodic minor, slightly different. You need to, that last step is to raise the 6th and the 7th note, and then to just double check that your descending scale has been written properly. Okay, so F melodic minor. Write your notes. And remember, there's an ascending and descending aspect to melodic minor. It is one way up and a different way down. The major scales and the harmonic minor are not like that. They are the same way up, same way down. Okay, melodic minor. So, let me just put here, melodic. Alright, so we've written our notes. Now we go to our key line and we say F minor has 4 flats. Right, what are they? Go to the next step. They are in this order. There are 4 of them, B, E, A, and D. Right, we go to our scale, we write them in. Remember, we're doing this in pencil, okay, so we can rub out on the way through the process. Battle, battle, ends, ends, and. There are your 4 flats. Battle, ends, and, sorry, down. Battle, ends, and down. 4 flats that you've put in. All right. Step number, write your notes, do your key, get the order. Step number 3. Okay. Step number 4 is to raise your 6th and your 7th note. So you take your eraser, you rub out those flats, and what you do is you raise it. It was a flat, you need to raise it by a semitone. To raise a flat by a semitone, you naturalize it, and you naturalize that note over there. Right. Now, the last step of this is to check that your descending scale is correct. And your descending scale needs to have no alterations in it. I like to think about it like that. You present it as it should be presented, with all the flats in it. And here's a little trick. So let's just see if that's correct. Battle, ends, and down. The 4 flats are there. Okay. One way of double checking that is to check if this scale is in the relative majors key signature. And then you go to your key line and you say A flat major has 4 flats. Are there 4 flats? Battle, ends, and down. Yes, there are. So in effect, this is F to F in A flat major, and it is also known as the Aeolian mode. It's the 6th mode of A flat major. Correct. Just double checking that. Okay, so that is how you do a melodic minor. I've gone quite quick. These videos are just to give you the concept, and it's for you to go and practice or work it out. But remember, major scales have 3 steps. Just go, do not get emotional about theory. Just be logical about it. Follow a step method. Devise your own steps. Devise your own method. Step 1 in a major scale. Write your notes. Get your key. Get the order. Right. 4 steps in a harmonic minor. Get the notes. Check the key. Get the order. Raise the 7th note. Right. In a melodic minor scale, there are actually 5 steps. Write your notes. Get the key. Check the order. Raise the 6th and 7th note, and then just double check that your descending mode is correct.